Okay, hello. So price slightly gapped up here and open within Friday's range and outside of Friday's value area. So we need to see if this can manage to sustain support, break out of support above Friday's highs for a sustained move up to 300s. Should this fail to hold here, we would like to go short for a move down to gap fill, then eventually 200s and 213s here at Friday's value high. If it fails, we'd like to see if it goes down to 180s Friday's point of control. If we see the weekly profile here, you can see basically that previous week we had a fake down of weekly highs. Now within the balanced week point of control here, so this area 120, we need to see if it's a good area of support if price goes there. Price broke out already above Friday's highs here, you can see rallying straight up. So let's see if this can be sustained. If we look on the daily chart here, you can see after this pullback price 2 days of absorption at the lows here, now straight above, so heading for all-time highs. Let's see if this can manage to hold here. So basically price failed to hold above yesterday's high so far. Let's see if it gives a retest so we can go short here. Initially the short position at 36 here, would like to see, would prefer to have a rebound here and then short. So far price failed at above Friday's high, so looking to see if we break below initial balance low and tag Friday's value high here at 215s and move to 200s here. So let's see if this can be sustained. Okay, so we see price broke down initial balance low, scaled out first target here, looking to see, as earlier, if we touch if we tag Friday's value high here at 215s or so and then eventually move down to 200s, this will be nice trade if it manages to develop that down. So looking at the weekly profile, area of support is 160s, then 120s previous week's value low and low. So let's see, otherwise this will be just a failure here, price will rebound. Let's see. Scale out further, the short trade here still have a part to hold for a move further down, price tanking lower just at Friday's value high here. Very nice short trade here, continuation breakdown. Let's see how far down. Flatten the short trade here, would like to hold this at 200s, but better take it early rather than late. Tagged Friday's value high, so we need to see if price moves high from here or if it tanks further down. If we look at the 30-minute chart, you can see before the market price outside the Bollinger Band once opened straight down towards the lower Bollinger Band here. Very nice setup here. So price gave a rebound retest here at initial balance low to the tick resistance, now going further down, slightly lower than previous. So if this can be sustained, we would like to see this at 180s Friday's point of control. This rebound retest here was the perfect short opportunity, breaking down, retest, then further down. So let's see. Here where a few hours later you can see price sold off further down, new lows and held support exactly at Friday's point of control. I got long here at 84 and scaled out up to 200, still holding the long position for a potential full reversal roll, at least on VWAP here. Okay, here we are a few minutes until the US cash open. You can see price basically rebounded all the way up to VWAP here, great resistance. Also great resistance here at initial balance low earlier, price kept going lower. So the question will be, if we see the bigger picture here, is this day just going to trade sideways or make a new low here? Also would like to watch these flash down lows. This is where price bounced, got long here at 84, scale up to 200. So if another retest here breaks down and fails to hold, will go long again here. Also still holding third part of the long trade for either break even or a move up to above VWAP here towards yesterday's high. Price failed here at yesterday's high, so basically price sold off 2 days here and then immediately bounce. We need to see now if during the session will bounce once again or if this will manage to break further down. You can see price having some support here at 200 as well. In case of a breakdown and a new low, and a sustained new low, we like to see Friday's lows here, 12,140s or so. So if price manages to go down here, definitely would like to see if any long opportunity, although we need to see how this can develop. So far this is trying to become a B-shaped day, which means open at the highs, fail to hold them, sold off and consolidated at the lows is what it's doing, unless we see any kind of exaggerated move and continuation. Also very nice support here on Friday's point of control, as we was talking this morning. If price fails at Friday's value and high, likely to go down here if not lower. This is why I got long here, so the support then allow this to work towards the rebound. So let's give it some time and see how this can be traded. So basically you have DAX here pushing lower while SPY pushing higher here. So if SPY sustain this bid, DAX likely to hold the support here and gradually grinds higher. On the contrary, if SPY fails at 236, DAX will tank further here. So still holding the long from 84s. Next level to watch is the low of the day here, and next level is Friday's lows. Otherwise we will not get involved. We'll either hold the long and allow this to trade or break even, or if I break even then we'll like to see at the lows of the day here. So price push low, stopped out at break even here, looking to see if another flash down move would hold support at the lows here and price will bounce, or if it will rip straight down. SPY is still holding higher here, DAX lagging, so let's see. So as we can see here, that pullback here with a big divergence with SPY and DAX was exactly as much as needed to stop me out at break even for the third part, so missed this rally. The anticipation of this long was for potential move towards yesterday's high once again. Earlier I held support here at point of control Friday session. Now again to the tick here and price bounced a good 30 points higher so far. So stopped out at break even here. Was waiting to buy at the fake down move here if price was failing here to go long again for the same scenario as said earlier. SPY new highs here, DAX trying to catch up now, big divergence, so we need to see if it spikes straight above VWAP here. So that's the reality of the market. You're having multiple hours long position working perfectly. You holding, you stopped out at break even, then price immediately in favor of the trade. So let's see. So here we are a few minutes until the European cash trading close. If we see today, basically price broke above yesterday's high before the cash market opens. Of course this failed here miserably. Got short here after saw this holding below VWAP. Scale up the target, nice 20 plus points trading in the first hour. Then initiated a long here, a conservative long trade, which means price went above first hour of cash trading low. Then I got long instead of doing at the lows in anticipation this will go higher. Scaled out here, then stopped out for the rest. One other long here for the same setup, stopped out fully. Then a nice long trade here at 84 after this flash down move failed to extend much lower and tagged yesterday's low. Scale out to profit targets up to 200s. Held all the way up to VWAP. The long trade here in anticipation this can hold and generally grinds higher. As soon as the US cash market opened, just stopped me out to break even, then immediately on favor of the trade. So this trade from 84s would have been up to 20s or so, nice trade. Also was tracking the 30-minute Bollinger Band. Here you can see at the time price this flash down move was tag lower Bollinger Band here, then 1.5 hour later just straight upside here. Also nice was the divergence with SPY. If you see SPY first 1 hour of US cash trading immediately higher, then DAX was lagging behind. This is in a correlation play, which means one index is lower than the other one is holding higher, so DAX will likely to follow. This exactly what happened as soon as this 30-minute candle opened here. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow to see any other trading opportunity.
If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pin tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service, which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free. Then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.